In this lecture, you will learn about system hacking. You can't complete the system hacking phase in a single pass. It involves using a methodological approach that includes cracking passwords, escalating privileges, executing applications, hiding files, covering tracks, concealing evidence, and then pushing into a more involved attack. Let us look at the system hacking process, starting with one of the better known steps, password cracking. You use password cracking to obtain the credentials of a given account with the intention of using the account to gain authorized access to the system under the guise of a legitimate user. Password cracking techniques. Popular culture would have us believe that cracking a password is as simple as running some software and tapping a few buttons. The reality is that special techniques are needed to recover passwords. Dictionary attacks. An attack of this type takes the form of a password cracking application that has a dictionary file loaded into it. Brute force attacks. In this type of attack, every possible combination of characters is attempted until the correct one is uncovered. Hybrid attack. This form of password attack builds on the dictionary attack but with additional steps as a part of the process. Syllable attack. This type of attack is a combination of a brute force attack and a dictionary attack. It is useful when the password a user has chosen is not a standard word or phrase. Rule-based attack. This could be considered an advanced attack. It assumes that the user has created a password using information the attacker has some knowledge of ahead of time, such as phrases and digits the user may have a tendency to use. Passive online attacks. Attacks in this category are carried out simply by sitting back and listening, in this case via technology in the form of sniping tools such as Wireshark. Active online attacks. The attacks in this category are more aggressive than passive attacks because the process requires deeper engagement with the target. Attackers using this approach are targeting a victim with the intention of breaking a password. Offline attacks. This type of attack is designed to prey on the weaknesses not of passwords but of the way they are stored. Non-technical attacks, also known as non-electronic attacks. These move the process offline into the real world. Data hiding. There are other ways to hide evidence of an attack, including hiding the files placed on the system such as exe files, scripts and other data. File File attributes are a feature of operating systems that allows files to be marked as having certain properties, including read-only and hidden. Files can be flagged as hidden, which is a convenient way to hide data and prevent detection through simple means such as directory listings or browsing in Windows Explorer. Alternate data streams. A very effective method of hiding data on a Windows system is also one of the lesser known ones, alternate data streams. This feature is a part of NTFS and has been since the 1990s, but since its introduction it has received little recognition. This makes it both useful for an attacker who is knowledgeable and dangerous for a defender who knows little about it. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.